Section 1001 provides the general rule that gain or loss is recognized on the sale or exchange of property. An exception to this general rule is provided in Section 1032, where a corporation issues or disposes of its own stock. Under Section 1032, the issuance or disposition of a corporation's own stock does not give rise to taxable gain or loss to the corporation. The classic example is a Section 351 exchange, where a corporation issues its own stock in exchange for property from the shareholder. The corporation is not taxable under Section 1032, and the shareholder is not taxable under Section 351 as long as the requirements of Section 351 are met. In Example 1 of Regulation 1.1032-3E, Corp X contributed its own stock to Corp Y, its subsidiary. Y then used the X stock to acquire an asset from an unrelated party. Without the application of any special rules, Y would have a basis of 0 in the stock of X, and since Y would not be exchanging its own stock for the property, Y would recognize gain on the exchange of the X stock for the property. However, in this circumstance, the regulations contain a special rule to deem certain transfers. First, X is deemed to contribute cash to Y, then Y is deemed to transfer the cash to X in exchange for the X stock. Since Y is deemed to have acquired the X stock for cash, Y has a fair market value basis in the X stock. When Y exchanges the X stock for the property, no gain or loss is recognized by Y.